Screencastify Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing Screencastify, an easy-to-use screen recording and video editing tool. Links to the product are included in the description below. If you're looking for a tool to help with creating tutorials, presentations, or software demos, this review will give you an in-depth look at how Screencastify performs. Screencastify is designed for educators, business professionals, content creators, and anyone who needs a quick and efficient way to record their screen and share their work. It's a browser-based tool, making it accessible directly through Google Chrome without needing to download heavy software. Screencastify offers a simple interface that's great for users who are new to screen recording. One of its standout features is the ability to record your screen, webcam, and even audio simultaneously, which is perfect for creating tutorials, explainer videos, or walkthroughs. It's easy to capture your entire screen, a specific application window, or even a browser tab, which provides flexibility in how you create your content. Once you're done recording, Screencastify offers basic video editing tools, such as trimming, cutting, and annotating your videos. You can highlight portions of the screen, add text annotations, and even draw on the screen in real time, which is useful for emphasizing key points during your video. The editing capabilities are fairly simple, which makes it ideal for users who don't need complex video editing, but still want a polished final product. Screencastify also integrates seamlessly with Google Drive, allowing you to save your recordings directly to your cloud storage for easy access and sharing. Additionally, videos can be exported in different formats or directly uploaded to platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, which simplifies the sharing process. However, there are a few drawbacks. The free version of Screencastify limits your recordings to 5 minutes, which can be restrictive for users creating longer content. Additionally, while the video editing tools are helpful, they may not meet the needs of users looking for advanced video editing capabilities. The premium version offers more features, such as unlimited recording time and advanced editing tools, but it comes with a subscription cost. Overall, Screencastify is a solid choice for users who need an easy-to-use screen recording tool with basic editing capabilities and integrations with Google Drive. Whether you're an educator creating lessons, a business professional giving a demo, or a content creator making explainer videos, Screencastify's intuitive interface and seamless cloud integration make it a valuable tool. If you're looking for something lightweight and efficient, Screencastify is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.